How's it going, everyone? Mike here with July 2021 Merch by Amazon sales update. To summarize the month, what I can say is it was a surprising month. Definitely slightly outperformed expectations. The US market was actually very weak, as you can see here, with a total of 199 sales. I think this might actually crack 200 because I'm recording this in the evening of the 31st. I'll be busy over the next couple of days, so this is the only opportunity to actually get this done and out to you guys. But the big surprise was what happened with international sales, and I got about 50 sales across all the marketplaces, which is actually amazing. My total for the month is 246, as you can see here. So how does this compare to the last couple of months? It's actually right up there. So I definitely can't say that it's a low month if I'm comparing it to to the last 6 months. But what I can say is that there were definitely a few slow days and weeks, and not surprising for July, but it was kind of like very disappointing, especially for the number of products that I've been listing every single day. As you can even see, I'm listing products right now. My Merch Titans automation tool is working in the background. So, previous month for the US sales, 217. So there's a bit of a drop, but like I said, international sales have really outperformed and have exceeded my expectations, which is really nice because that just encourages me to keep listing and keep working, because you know what, there was a time when I was doing these kinds of sales in the US, and if I can get to the point where I'm getting these kinds of numbers across the board, and then US of course hopefully will explode one day, that's going to be a game changer. I did the math with the conversions and everything. Rough estimate is about $850 in royalties, which is a little lower than I kind of expected, but definitely, not complaining. $850 in royalties, and this is just Merch by Amazon. So I'm extremely happy. The total number, I'll just look at the previous month quickly. So this month is 246. The total for last month was 251. So that's about, what is that, seven sales difference. Is it even that? No, five sales difference. And but the big, as you can see here, just look at these numbers, and anything besides the US is actually completely different, which to me that's still the kind of the shocking part that makes me feel really good. And the other thing that I wanted to look at quickly are these kinds of numbers. So it was very surprising to see so many 4s, and there was even a 3 a couple days ago, as you can see here, and there were a few numbers where it kind of spiked and kind of made up for the remainder of the month, but I would really consider the US sales for this month to, like I said, to be somewhat disappointing. Not unexpected, but disappointing. Overall, as you can see here right now, I'm pushing 45,000 products live, about 4,200 designs. So I was actually thinking about this, like, do I list more individual products? Right now, every time I post something, it's to at least 20, 30 different items, like one design. Most of the time I go for the whole 64. So definitely a couple of things to consider, but overall, very happy, and I'm just really looking forward to August. I'm hoping it's going to be better than July. Historically, that shouldn't be the expectation, because July and August are both very slow months. I mean, in 2018, you can see here, for example, there was a huge spike, but I believe that was a tear up. If we look at 2019, there was a bit of a spike, only a few sales differences. You can see here 9, And then 2020 is, we can't even look at 2020 because this whole period was kind of a mess due to COVID, and then no products being available for sale or anything like that. So just to summarize, we'll look at the numbers. 199 in the US. Hopefully this cracks 200 by the end of the night, and 246 for a total amount of royalties about 850, and total amount of sales probably about $5,000. So really happy overall. Hope you guys did well, and I'll talk to you soon.